Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. I'll be sharing live trades and results with you. We'll be evaluating how well these trades work out. We'll be benchmarking this against the S&P 500. I'm expecting to be outperforming it every month. Along the way, I'll also be sharing some lessons I've learned about investments, trading, and building wealth. And of course, the mandatory disclaimer. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be interpreted as advice. And with that, let's get into it. It is January 26th at the close of the market, and you can see we had a big gap up, and as you remember, we had exited at the close yesterday on the 25th. So we are in cash right now, and the market has gone up, I'd say pretty significantly. We're going to have to sit this one out until Adam gives us our signal and gets us back in. So let's see what happens tomorrow. It is January 27th. It is now the close of the second day since we exited, and the market has continued to go up. And this is going to be interesting because the Spiders is making some gains, but we are not realizing those gains quite yet. Let's see what happens as the days unfold. All right, good afternoon. It is January 30th. The market has taken a big drop. Adam has signaled for us to go in, and as you can see, I mentioned I'm doing live trades, so you'll see those trades actually kick in here in a minute, and we will be in the market as of 1:30. So luckily the price has pulled back to just about the price we exited, so let's see what happens from here. Good afternoon. It is January 31st, the end of the month. What an amazing day. I think we got lucky on our trade. It is gained at the close here on the 31st, about 2.4%, 2.5%. So it looks like we're going to report a gain here at the end of the month, and we'll be checking our end of the month numbers. Okay, let's check our Excel sheet. So at the end of December last year on the 31st, the price of SPY was 382.43. I've changed our sheet here a little bit just so we can track our incremental gains as we do trades. Our first trade concluded on the 19th. We picked up 0.7%. At that time, the S&P was up 1.62. So we were trailing by about 0.92 on that one. The 25th was our next trade where we entered the market. It was a few days ago, or I'm sorry, that's when it closed. That was the price of the SPY at that point. It picked up another 3% from the 19th. So this is just the incremental percentage difference between the dates. And our trade closed at 2.35%. That's a closed position, still trailing the S&P a bit. And then on the 31st, we're still in an open trade, but so far it's up about 2.51%. The S&P since we last reported is up 1.53, so we're outpacing it since the 25th. But end of the month, I said I was looking to beat the market each month. These are live trades. I'm sharing them with you live and being completely honest about them. So we are actually trailing by, I'd say, about 0.5% from the S&P 500. And I'm just going to roll down here a little bit and show you that month to month, I may not actually beat the S&P, but hopefully over time I will. This is a chart for the last 2 years since the January 1st, 2021. That was a particularly good year. And then, of course, we had 2022, which was not, but we're still doing pretty well. And then just to show you the year over year annual return, the ones in green are us trading. 41% 2 years ago, minus 6% last year for overall gains. And right now we are lagging the S&P by about 0.5%, but hopefully we'll be able to make up that difference in February. That's it for today. How do you think we're doing? Please comment below and let me know how this compares to other investments you've seen. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It should not be taken or interpreted as advice. Until next time.